Every day when I go through my emails, I look forward to seeing what types of recipes and tips and tricks that you're looking for. You know, one question I've seen quite a bit lately is, how do I butterfly a chicken breast? It's a great question. So let me show you how we can magically butterfly these and then turn them into a scrumptious meal. When it comes to butterflying a chicken breast, you want to make sure you start with a nice plump one. Put it on a cutting board and place one hand on top of it, like this. Then, holding a sharp knife horizontal to the cutting board, slowly cut the breast in half, about 3/4 of the way through. You'll know you were successful if both the top and the bottom are about the same thickness, and when you open it up, it sort of looks like a butterfly. Now, we season these with some salt and pepper and smear them with a garlic and herb spread. And we top them with some fresh spinach. And after they're roasted, we'll finish them off with some cheese and a buttery crumb mixture. That's all there is to it. It may look like a pricey dish that you would find in a restaurant, but these are easy enough to be part of your weeknight rotation. To get the recipe for our cheesy stuffed herb chicken, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a magically butterflied way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.